Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authorize CrowdStrike user authentication settings for endpoint protection, full guide step by step clearly.
Begin by logging into your CrowdStrike Falcon account. Navigate to the Configuration tab on the main dashboard.
Locate the User Authentications section within the Configuration options.
Click on Add User to begin the authorization process. Enter the user's email address in the designated field. Select the appropriate role for the user from the drop-down menu. Specify the endpoints that the user will have access to. Review the permissions assigned to this role to ensure they align with your security protocols. Click on Save Changes to confirm the user addition. Next, go to the Policies section in the left sidebar. Select Authentication Policies from the list of available policies. Click on Create Policy to set permissions for the user authentication. Define the authentication type, choosing between two-factor authentication or single sign-on as needed. Customize any additional settings to enhance security measures.
After configuring the policy, click on Save Policy to apply your changes. Now, return to the Users tab to view the newly added user. Confirm that their status reflects the correct role and permissions. Test the user's access by logging in with their credentials. Monitor any authentication attempts through the audit log for verification. Adjust user permissions as needed based on usage patterns and security needs. Regularly review and update user authentication settings to ensure continued endpoint protection. This will help maintain a secure environment for your organization's endpoints. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.